I don't know if we're doing a garden check. I did one yesterday. So, oh, look what Natalie has too.
Yeah, this is horrible.
That's not good. These are not good. These are those
tomato hornworms.
And they are everywhere on our tomato plants.
Are those eggs? Are those the horn eggs?
Those are eggs. It's either poop or eggs. We don't know. Natalie's gathering them. We should have came out. We need to come out tonight. We're going to come out tonight when it gets dark. We have a black light and you can really see them at night. These chickens love these things. So she's got a bucket full of hornworms. When we throw those in. Good morning, I am Dustin Aleman. This is Aleman Family Homestead. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe, give us a like, keep bringing those comments, feedback, appreciate each and every one of you. Today we're gonna move the hens. So on the last video we put the hogs right next to each other. We're now gonna put the hens right next to the hogs. So we're gonna have all three of our fences running parallel together, hopefully until the end of the summer as we move out away from our home. So we're gonna get those hens over by those hogs. We're gonna do I don't know if we're doing a garden check. I did one yesterday. We are gonna check on the turkeys. So we ran an experiment last night. I brought 5 turkeys out to the high tunnel. We haven't checked on them yet. Our hope is that obviously they survived and they're good to go. And then we're gonna start removing turkeys from our house and get them out to the high tunnel. So hopefully there was no craziness last night. Hopefully there was not a predator that came and attacked the turkeys. I know it's a horrible way to do it, but we had to try with a select few. So we're gonna go check on them. And later on, we're gonna chat about our next addition to the farm, what we're thinking. We're gonna want some feedback. If you guys have some feedback on our next purchase to help with our farm activities, I'll chat on that a little later as well. All right, so Nat and Evie are already in here and we got the good news. Turkeys are all alive. So here they are. They survived. I put 5 of them out here last night just for oh, look what Natalie has too.
Yeah, this is horrible.
That's not good. These are not good. These are those
tomato hornworms.
Tomato what?
Hornworms.
Hornworms. And they are everywhere on our tomato plants.
Are those eggs? Are those the horn eggs?
Those are eggs.
Must be. I don't know.
There's tons.
Okay, so we've got, it's either poop or eggs. We don't know. But we've got these hornworms everywhere. So Natalie's gathering them. We should have came out. We need to come out tonight. We're gonna come out tonight when it gets dark. We have a black light and you can really see them at night. Gosh, we've
never had this bad.
Yeah, it's never been this bad.
Baby.
So, all right. So they're gonna get these hornworms out of here. My point of coming in here though are these turkeys. They survived. So this is good. This is a great thing. And we're gonna bring all of the turkeys that are in the our living room are coming out here today. We're gonna get them out and then we're gonna move all the turkeys from the laundry room into our living room. I know that sounds just counterintuitive. You would think we'd want to get them out of our living room. We do. However, we've got that huge 100-gallon trough in the living room. It won't fit in the laundry room. It's just space. It's the space. So we're gradually moving them out. Eventually, they're all going to be out here, and then we're going to get them out on pasture. So this is great. Our brooder experiment has worked. I'm excited. This is an exciting thing. This is very, very exciting. I'm glad this is working. So in the future, next year, we can start housing all of our birds out here, and we're not concerned with predation here. So, but on the other front, unfortunately, Nat's getting all these hornworms. They're everywhere. So we've got a lot of cleaning. We're gonna come out later and clean this area up. We'll continue to just get these hornworms. These chickens love these things. So she's got a bucket full of hornworms. When we throw those in, we're gonna go move these hens. We'll get the hogs fed. Once we move the hens, we're gonna throw these out. You know, these chickens just, I mean, they love them. They just go crazy. So it's kind of funny. So we'll have a whole bucket of them. We'll show you guys all that here in a minute. All right, so we've got some of these next gen hens are getting out. So Evie and I are gonna chase them around and get them in. We gotta move all of these birds across this cow line right next to these hogs. These hogs are freaking out. So I'm gonna go feed them real quick and then we'll get started on moving these birds. So Nat and I did a little fire last night, so I've got some charcoal. So I'm feeding all the pigs charcoal. It's been a couple weeks since we've given them charcoal.
For jumping, they use the power, they jump, so they do one, they sneak up on their prey, and then they jump to get the spring, and then they jump again, and they land exactly on their prey.
Who does that?
A fox, a red fox.
Okay, so that's how you caught your chicks. Good job.
Pull the bucket out and they'll come here.
Go get the bucket before they get it. All right, here's these worms.
Force them out.
Here, guys, come here. Here, chick, chick, chick. Here, hold on, I'm gonna throw it out here. Here, chick, 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 chick.
Evie, throw one out. Just throw one out. There you go. You don't want them? Throw them on the food.
Okay, I've still got 2 more worms. There you go. There we go.
No. Oh, yeah, that one's gonna get one. Maybe not.
They like eating their food and then getting them, I think.
Yeah, I think yesterday we did it after they were done eating.
That was uneventful. Oh well. This goose is loving this.
Wheat seeds, but I think it was there.
The seeds on the top of this.
That's the top.
Might be wheat. Loving it.
Yeah, it's good.
All right, I had to run back home, grab some dog feed for our Pyrenees out here, and I had to go check on a pork butt. We're smoking a pork butt, one of our pigs from last year. So it's always rewarding when we're out doing chores. It's hot today, and as we were moving the hens, Evie was like, "Oh my gosh, you can smell the pork all the way over here. You can smell the smoke. It just smells good. It smells good." So all good. It's fun being able to raise your own pork, and we've got the pork butt on the smoker, and we're gonna have pulled pork tonight from our farm. Nat's out here. She got started with Annabelle. She's got her in the stanchion, cleaning her up. Got the dog food. We'll go in then, get her milked, and call it a day. All right, Nat's already in here. She's got her cleaned. She got started. I'm gonna give her a hand, get all done, and maybe I'll bring you in and show you the finished product of raising our own hogs. We've got, like I said, we're smoking pork butt, and then we're throwing some ribs. We've got some spare ribs, getting ready to throw in about an hour, and then some beef ribs as well from I think from Shimmer. So the fruits of our labor at work. All right, it's always good to take some time and appreciate the fruits of your labor. So this was one of I know we've got a cheap smoker. That's a whole nother topic of conversation. I've gone through so many smokers. Anyways, I'm not even gonna go down that road. So this is a pork butt from last year, from last harvest season. So we've got this smoking in there. We got a couple, look at that, looking nice, smelling great. So always good, like I said, to appreciate what we've got going on. I've got these other racks. I'm getting ready to throw some ribs on, and we're gonna have a feast tonight. All right, we are going to call it a day today. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe. Keep bringing comments and feedback. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. Catch you next time.